Today I'm sharing my summer everyday makeup look. I'm 65. I don't use a lot of products or try to use as few as possible. So if you love those beauty bloggers that go in depth and cover up a lot of our flaws, this video is not for you. But if you like light and bright, and even better, if you like drugstore friendly brands, you're going to love today's video. So come on. I'm going to take you through step by step. My skin is prepped with skincare and my sunscreen. So the first step for my makeup is always an eye primer. This one is from e.l.f. It's the putty color, and this is what helps my eyeshadow stay in place and brings out the true color of the eyeshadows. Next, I come along with a face primer. This one is also by e.l.f. and it also has niacinamide in it. And I absolutely love makeup products that also include those ingredients that we use for our skincare, because then you're just getting a 1-2 punch. It's clear, it goes on very easily, although I do have to say it was a little bit heavier than my usual Laura Geller that I absolutely love. That one's called Spackle. But honestly, a face primer is so important, so it gets the job done. Next, I move on to eyeshadow. This is Siren by Revlon, and with a flat brush, and it's an IT Cosmetics flat brush, and I'll have everything linked down below. So I use a flat brush, and I'm using number 1 of the eyeshadow palette, and I put that on my lid. Next, I take a round fluffy brush, and I am using number 2 with the Revlon Siren eyeshadow. And I take the fluffy brush and I put that color on the crease of my eye. And then I will come along and blend after the next step, because I truly believe that blending is the secret for beautiful eyeshadow. And next, with a very small flat brush, I come in with color number 4. And I put it in a V on the corner of my eye. And after I apply that to both eyes, then I will come along with the fluffy brush again, because remember, I have preached many times that the perfect eyeshadow application is blend. And especially with this, because that's a very dark color on the corner of my eye. So I want it to be noticeable, but I don't want it to be exaggerated. And there again, that's where good blending comes into play. So after I've blended my eyeshadow, then I come along with my eyeliner. And this is the Pixie Endless Silky Eye Pen in Black Noir. And I absolutely love Pixie. And one of the reasons is I'm not a precise eyeline applicator. I really have a lot of challenges with eyeliner, but this goes on so soft and so smoothly that I am able to come along with just a flat brush, and then I can smudge the eyeliner. It just gives it a soft look. It just gives it a look that I personally like. So after the eyeliner is in place, then again, I just come along and blend, or in this case, smudge. After my eyes are in place, that's when I come along and I put my foundation on. And this is L'Oreal's Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation. It also has a little bit of sunscreen in it. And I am using the color Beige Rose, which is number 30. And I have been a big fan of L'Oreal Age Perfect since they released it probably, I think it was about 4 years ago. I partnered with them for roughly a year, and had the opportunity to use all of the Age Perfect products. And truly one of my favorites is their foundation. It just goes on so easily and really just gives a nice glow without being too heavy. But after I put it on with my fingers, and yes, I use my fingers quite a lot. I try to not have too heavy of a hand. But again, I believe blending is the key. So I come along again with a fluffy brush, and I make sure that that foundation is truly blended in to my face. And so you really can't tell where it starts and where it ends. And again, absolutely a big fan of L'Oreal Age Perfect foundation. After my foundation is in place, then I will come along with the Age Perfect Radiant Concealer. And if there are any imperfections, if I have dark circles under my eyes, then I will come along and apply this concealer with my ring finger, because that is the finger that has the least amount of strength, because I always want to protect that delicate eye area. Next step is back to my eyes, and this time it's my eyebrows. So I am using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and this is in the color gray. And I love the gray color. It doesn't actually come out gray, but it does have a cool tone to it. And my hair is gray, so definitely cool tones there. And then my face also has cool tones. So I really, really prefer any eyebrow pencil or any application for my eyebrows to be the color gray. And NYX is actually, it's really nice. I usually like to have a gel on my day-to-day makeup. It's a Benefits gel, but I really do like this NYX eyebrow pencil. It goes on very, very easily. And there again, I think the secret to any makeup application is blending. So I just come along with this spoolie and just make sure that my eyebrows aren't like too heavy-handed. That's one of the things that I really like to guard against, is just being too heavy-handed with my eyebrows. And I can be sometimes. So a spoolie always comes in handy and really just lightens up the look for my eyebrows. Next, I move on to my blush, and this is, again, is age perfect. So this is called the Radiant Satin Blush, and it's in Berry. And I use a very fluffy brush to put the blush on my cheekbones. And again, I just blend, 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 because honestly, for me, that is truly the secret for the perfect makeup application. I also like to come along with just a little bit of a bronzer. This is Physicians Formula. Oh my gosh, they just really have some great products. If you haven't checked out Physicians Formula, please do so. So this is called their Greatest Hits. So I just take a slanted brush. Again, I just try to be as light-handed as possible, but I just like a little extra color with that bronzer. We're coming into the home stretch, ladies, because now I'm back to my eyes. And before I add my eyelash primer and my mascara, I like to come along with an eyelash curler. It just gives it some length, it gives it some definition, and I just clamp it down over each eye for about 10 seconds. Then I will come along with my favorite drugstore brand that, again, it's L'Oreal. So this is the voluminous base. This is the eyelash primer. And I just really like an eyelash primer because it really does, it thickens and it really lengthens your eyelashes. And at this age, I will take every little micro inch that I can get for my eyelashes. And after my eyelash primer is on, then I come along with mascara. And this is Physicians Formula Diamond Mascara Mineral Wear. And honestly, it's one of my favorite, whether it's a drugstore variety or just a higher end mascara. It really does live up to its promise to lengthen your lashes, get that definition that we all love and that we all need, especially at a certain age. And I'm using the color black. 9 times out of 10, I use a black mascara. Every once in a while, I'll use a brown, but black is really what will give my eyelashes the definition that they need. And next are my lips. And so I'm coming along with the Age Perfect lip liner. And this is a Flaming Carmin. And again, I'll have everything linked down below if you're interested in the colors that I'm using and any of the products. But I don't line my entire lip. I just come in with a Cupid's bow and a little bit down below on my lower lip. And then I will come along with just a little fine pencil. And then I will blend, blend, blend before I add my lipstick. And my lipstick is one of my favorites. And again, y'all know I've been using a lot of L'Oreal this video, and I really do like their lipsticks. They don't break the bank. They have a wide variety of colors. And this is one of my favorites for summer. It's called Tickled Pink. And I especially like it with the contrast of a smokier eye. It just really gives just a beautiful definition. And the last step is just to give another swipe of mascara. I typically come along and add 2 coats of mascara. And sometimes I will, swipe my lower lashes and sometimes I don't. It's kind of like jewelry. Sometimes I really feel like I just want that extra definition and sometimes I don't. So honestly, it's a personal preference. Today I decided that I would just go the extra mile and just add that swipe to the bottom lash. Okay, ladies, I hope you liked this video and I hope you found maybe 1 or 2 drugstore friendly products that you hadn't heard about. Of course, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.